गुड इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स, हाउ आर यू ऑल, हाउ हैव यू बिन। मैं इस वीडियो पर, इस चैनल पर बहुत टाइम बाद आई हूँ. इट्स बिन लाइक 2 to 3 weeks. But friends, today I have come with another interesting topic, and the name of the topic is types of body languages and how to read body languages. Because reading body languages can take you a long way, they can make you successful. And this is a trick, this is a skill which not many of us have. But once you are going to have this trick, you are going to easily analyze what the other person is thinking, whether he is saying the truth or whether he is trying to show it off, trying to lie, trying to deceive you. Friends, facial expressions are universal. Our gestures, they are universal. Like when we are feeling sad, we are low, then we are like, gloomy, we don't smile much, and even if we smile, our smile is not a natural smile, it is an artificial fake smile, because just we want to show to the world that yes, we are happy, we are okay, we are comfortable, but in actuality we are not. Second is body language and posture. Body language and posture tells us a great deal of information about a person whom we are dealing with. Body languages, like for example, crossing the legs, sitting with the legs open, fidgeting your legs, or like for example, if you can say if someone is actually keeping their backs, keeping their chest towards you, they are leaning towards you, and if people, they are going back. Okay, and if somebody is just sitting very straight, that means that the person is actually very confident. And if the person is trying to lean towards you, maybe they are trying to listen to you properly, and maybe they are very interested in what you are trying to say. If people are fidgeting their legs, that means that they are very confused, they are anxious, they are sick, they are thinking about 2 to 3 things at the same time, and they are not able to come to a decision. They are confused, and they are also feeling restless while they are fidgeting their legs. In the same way, the gestures, like I told you, like for example, whatever gestures or the facial grimaces we make, all these things have a very huge impact on the understanding of the body language of the other person with whom we are dealing. Next is our touch. Somebody is trying to touch you, it can tell many things about that person. A touch can tell you if the person is trying to appreciate you, a person is trying to dominate you, a person is trying to show you that you are submissive, or a person is trying to make you relax, or a person is trying to come ahead with sexual favors or any personal intimacy. So a touch can tell a lot about a person and what that person has in his or her mind. Next is the space. If we have to maintain a particular kind of physical distance, then it can be professional also, it can be personal also. Like for example, with our parents, we maintain certain amount of physical space, which is very respectable, which is very respectful. But when it comes to our spouse, our love, we try to actually not use that particular physical space. Yeah, we actually try to cover that physical space. Yes, we try to be more closer to that person, because we have to show our love, our intimacy, our affection to that person. But if we have no feelings for any person, we have no respect, we have no listening ears for that person, we have no empathy, we have no care for any person, then we are going to maintain a good amount of physical distance. Like a large physical distance is going to be there. Then is after touch, after space, we are also going to talk about now our eye contact. If someone looks into your eyes, that means either they are strong, experienced liars, or they are the ones who are very confident in their skin and they can actually tell you what they are feeling about you or any other issue. They are going to look into your eyes, because eye contact also communicates a lot many things. If someone is talking to you and he's looking somewhere else, that means he's thinking something else, thinking about someone else, thinking about some other issue. Then is voice. Like my voice right now is very stern. Yes, I have a loud voice, honestly. फ्रेंड्स, मेरी वॉइस थोड़ी सी लाउड है, मैं थोड़ा तेज़ बोलती हूँ. इट्स माई नेचुरल वॉइस, या. एंड मेनी पीपल कॉल माई वॉइस वेरी इम्प्रेसिव. मतलब मैं अपनी तारीफ़ नहीं कर रही, बट येस, मेनी पीपल हैव सेड दैट हंसा योर वॉइस इज़ एक्चुअली वेरी इम्प्रेसिव. सो वॉइस, in which tone you are talking to the other person also tells a great deal about your feelings. किसी भी सामने वाले पर्सन को फटाफट से पता चल जाता है कि आप इरिटेट होके बोल रहे हो, आप प्यार से बोल रहे हो, आप इग्नोरेंट हो, या आप अग्रेसिवली बात कर रहे हो. अगर हम अग्रेसिवली बात करते हैं तो हमारा पिच ऑफ साउंड वैसे ही बहुत हाई हो जाता है. अगर हम किसी से आराम से बात कर रहे हैं, सरकाज़म के साथ बात कर रहे हैं, तो भी वो पता चल जाता है. Yes, if we are trying to being sarcastic with somebody, हम कहना कुछ और चाहते हैं पर मजाक मजाक में हम किसी को टॉन्ट मारते हुए, हंसते हुए कुछ कह जाते हैं, that is sarcasm. And if we are being soft with someone, we are being genuine, soft-hearted, kind-hearted with someone, तो yes, हमारी वॉइस बहुत सॉफ्ट होती है. और अगर हम बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट होते हैं किसी चीज़ को लेके, तो हाँ, हमारी वॉइस में वो कॉन्फिडेंस भी छलकता है. अदरवाइज़ हम लोग स्टैमर करते हैं, हम लोग रुक रुक के बोलते हैं, हमें बहुत सोच के बोलना पड़ता है. सो फ्रेंड्स, दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. And friends, one more thing, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also remember to tap the bell icon for more new videos if you find them interesting and informative, and your feedback is much welcome. So friends, that's all for today. Have a nice evening. Thank you so much.